So guys, Alex Otti inaugurates 9-man digital economy SME advisory committee in Abia State. So guys, I welcome you all to this channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment below as we talk about these matters arising. Otti inaugurates 9-man digital economy SME advisory committee in Abia State. So guys, Governor Otti of Abia State is working tirelessly to make sure his administration is doing everything necessary to ensure that the state retains its lead as the small and medium enterprises hub of Nigeria. Alex Otti said this while addressing a delegation of Bank of Industries who was on a business visit to him. So guys, I want you to stay tuned as we talk about these matters arising. Remember, our headline is Otti inaugurates 9-man digital economy SME advisory committee in Abia State. So guys, Governor Alex Otti of Abia State has inaugurated the 9-man digital economy as well as small and medium enterprises SME advisory committee to aid the Ministry of Digital Economy and Small and Medium Enterprises Development to effectively drive the state's economy. Governor Alex Otti, shortly after inaugurating the committee members at Government House, Omahia, and the state capital, urged them to assist in the creation of state policy for digital economy and SME development. So guys, the governor, who was represented by Caleb Ajabwa, his chief of staff, identified technology as critical to the overall development of society and urged them to create programs that would help in the incubation, growth, and success of startups and SMEs in the state. The Abia State governor, who congratulated the committee members on their successful selection, reminded them that they were painstakingly selected based on their pedigree, while assuring them of government support in carrying out their assignments effectively. Matthew Ekuribe, Commissioner for Digital Economy and Small and Medium Enterprises, and also Chairman of the Digital Economy and SME Advisory Committee, noted that Abia is blessed with numerous potentials and stated that they were not going to focus only on trainings but also on providing solutions that would help drive the economy effectively in the digital space in line with the vision of the state government. So guys, I would want us to talk about this interesting topic because before the assumption of office, some parts of the state were strongholds of criminals, kidnappers, and people unleashing all forms of terror on residents. Abia State wasted no time in putting on ground the necessary machineries to put an end to this life-threatening situation, and it was all because of Alex Otti. That is one of his doings. So he had made great progress in the achievements of our vision to make the state safe. The Abia Chief Executive joined the Security Advisory Council to interface with the existing security architecture in the states to provide the insights, and would help to consolidate on the gains made since the inception of his administration. So guys, with all the recent happenings in Abia State, investors coming into the land to invest and so many others, it's going to be nice to hear that kidnappers, armed robbers, or even killers attacks those investors, and it will be a very big setback for Abia State. So that was why Alex Otti had to inaugurate Security Advisory Council in Abia State. Alex Otti, the governor of Abia State, has inaugurated the Abia State Security Council and the Abia Security Trust Fund. Also inaugurated by the governor is the Abia State Judicial Service Commission. While speaking during the ceremony at Government House in Umuahia, he said that the state government is unwavering in its commitment to maintaining stability and ensuring the safety of residents, as his administration has taken security issues very serious. So guys, Governor Alex Otti stated that his administration placed priority in security for the development of the state and underscored the significant progress made by his administration in transforming areas previously plagued by criminal activities into safer environments in the last 11 months in office. Alex Otti, before his assumption in office, some parts of the states were strongholds of criminals, kidnappers, and people unleashing all forms of terror on residents. So guys, that is that on today's video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment below. See you guys in our next video.